Hello everyone, are you looking for fancy party snack or fine dining amuse-bouche? I have something perfect for you. I will teach you how you can make foie gras mousse and how you can transfer it into one by wonder. So let's do it. And let's start with my foie gras mousse.
You need port wine, cream, egg yolk, butter, salt, foie gras and gelatin. The full recipe will be in the description down below. Start by adding the gelatin to cold water and then move on to the foie gras. I have a large piece here, so I cut it in half to sear it better. Heat a pan over medium heat and sear the foie gras on both sides until nicely browned. Then deglaze the pan with port wine and reduce it by half. Transfer everything to a blender and let it cool slightly because you will add an egg yolk on the top and you don't want to cook it. In a separate pot, warm the cream and melt the gelatin into it. And now it's time to blend everything together. In the blender, mix foie gras with egg yolk, salt and pinch of nutmeg for about 1 minute. Then, slowly add room temperature butter while blending on high speed. Then you can reduce the speed to low and add cream and blend for about 30 seconds. And that's it. Now let it to sit inside the fridge overnight. Don't forget to put a clean film on the top so you don't develop any kind of crust on the top.
So the mousse is inside the fridge, and now let's start with my port wine gel.
For the gel, start with 300 ml of port wine, add spoon of sugar and some sage and reduce it to 200 ml. At that point, take out the sage, add 2 grams of agar, cook it for 2 minutes and let it sit inside the fridge.
And for the bottom layer, I will make easy, crispy baguette.
First, slice a baguette into thin pieces. You can make it as big or small as you like. Then toast them in a pan over medium heat with little bit of olive oil, seasoning with salt and pepper. Make nice color on both sides and they will be ready to go. Once the gel has set, blend it for a few minutes and then transfer it into a squeezy bottle so you can make nice dots at the end. The final step is to whisk the mousse a bit. Transfer it into the bowl and whisk it until you get a smooth consistency. But be careful, don't over whisk it because at this point it can get split. And plating is simple today. Make a nice quenelle of the mousse, place it on top of the crisp and finish it with port gel and nasturtium flour. And that's it guys. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give a like. And if you'd like to elevate your cooking with my personal help, check out the link in the description and learn more about how can I help you.
And if you'd like to learn another fine dining canapés, check out this video and learn how I can make my 2 favorite snacks at home. Thank you for watching guys, and I see you soon.